Remove the tools and heads and fit the protective caps of the motor. Rinse devices under running tap water and wipe them dry. Remove the protective caps and wipe the motor, its cables and connectors with the disinfectant moistened cloth. Wait for the prescribed effect time. Replace the protective caps and rinse the motor with deionized water. We recommend avoiding using power-based solvents, detergents, and disinfectants. Residues of these agents may recrystallize at sterilization temperatures and damage the high-speed bearings of the handpieces during use, causing premature failure of the bearings before their service life. Place the smaller heads separately in a mesh box. Place the devices into the washing tub. Start a 15-minute cleaning cycle in dynamic mode. With the exception of the NSH210 perforator handpiece, place the handpieces on the NSC710 washing adapter and rinse through the adapter with deionized water. Rinse the perforator handpiece and heads with deionized water. Mount the NSC710 washing adapter on the tray of the applied dishwasher, specially dedicated for washing hollow instruments. Place the motor with the protective caps, the perforator handpiece, and a box containing the heads on the tray and attach the handpieces to the NSC710 washing adapter. Place the tray in the dishwasher and start the washing program. The program used should include rinsing, washing, disinfecting, and drying phases. Dry the cleaned, disinfected devices with compressed air blowing. Remove the rinse water residue from the inside of the handpieces by blowing with compressed air. Before each sterilization, lubricate the handpieces, except for NSC210 perforator handpiece. Use the lubricating spray NSC720 and the lubricating adapter NSC721 provided by the manufacturer. Remove excess lubricant with a short blow of compressed air. Excessive lubricant can cause overheating of the handpieces during use. For sterilization, be sure to remove the protective caps of the motor. Place the devices on the NSC730 tray and pack for autoclave sterilization.